Hi guys, this is Casey from loafe. Today, I'm gonna show you how to replace your hard disk with your external hard drive. And here's the things that we need to use in order to start the process. We must have the compatible screwdriver for your Mac, a coin to unlock the battery, and also your external hard disk. Before we start, we need to make sure that your computer is turned off. Then unlock the battery, then remove and place it aside. Now on this part where you can see the bracket, so in order for us to remove the hard disk, we need to remove the bracket using a screwdriver. On this part, I'm just going to show you how to remove the hard disk from its cover and install it back because I already replaced it before doing this video for us just to test to make sure that everything will work before providing this tutorial. After you replace your hard disk with your external hard drive, make sure that you properly install it from its cover so that we can make sure that it will properly fit into your laptop. Once it's done installing the hard disk to your laptop, we have to test to make sure that everything was working fine. By plugging in your charger to your laptop, then turning on to make sure that it will work. Once it's booting up, you will see an icon, an Apple icon on your Mac. I mean to say that it is now booting up properly, and I believe it is working fine after that installing a new hard disk to your computer. Then that's the time you plug it in or install it back the battery of your laptop. Okay guys, it's already done and working fine now. Once again, this is Casey from loafe. Please do like and provide a comments below and stay tuned for more updates.